In today's video, I'll show you how you can add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So first of all is that I'm going to show you the free way and the manual way. Basically, you just need to navigate here into the Edit tab, go into your timeline, right click, and then click on Add Subtitle Track. And then you should see the subtitle track in here. Next, navigate here in the top right, or if you don't see this tab, you can go here and click on an inspector. In here is that you want to click on Create Caption, and this is where you can add a subtitle like, hey, and this is my sample right there. And then you can now drag this into the timeline where you would want it to start, and then you could also make it shorter just like that by dragging its end right there. So you can also position your playhead where you'd want it to start. Let's say at the beginning. I'm gonna drag it here at the beginning. And now from here, if you want, you could always add new by clicking here on add new, and then you'd be able to see that the subtitle here that we made previously is now gone. So be careful on your playhead placement. So you would have to place your playhead in where you would want the next subtitle to be, like somewhere in here. And then now you want to go back into this video right here into the subtitles. So select the subtitle part right here on your timeline to go back in here and click on add new. And then I'm going to go for subtitles for this video right there. And then when we play it, we will now have it like this, as you can see with the subtitles in our video. And now if you want to edit the text, just simply select all of them, and then now you would want to go into this track right here. And now you can see the character. You can change the font in here, you can change the color, and then you have the size and line spacing and many more depending on how you'd want to format your subtitle. So this is where you can do that. Now, if you're asking, what if you would want automatic subtitles? We could definitely do that. So first is that you can create a in and out point if you want. So if you don't want to transcribe your whole video, then you can tap or click or press an I on your keyboard to create an in point and an out point on where you'd want the transcription to end. Let's say at the end of my video, just like that. So you can also do this on the middle or any specific part of your video. Next is that you want to go into your timeline and then just simply create subtitles from audio. Click here. And now you can go for the language. So you have a bunch of language as of now. So depending on what you'd want, in my case, I just want English. And then the caption preset, you can go for teletext or Netflix. I just want Netflix. Next is that we have the lines. So I'm going to go for a single and then a gap between subtitles and so on. Once you're satisfied, click on create and it will now initialize, and you just need to wait for the process to complete. And now it's done. As you can see right here, we now have these subtitles in here, and if you'd want to change that again, select all the subtitles, go into track here in the inspector, and then I'm just going to change this into white, and then I think that's enough. And as for this one right here, I set the maximum numbers of characters into just 10, so we only get one word per line or per subtitle right here, as you can see. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.